User experience, UX, as a term that has become increasingly important in the design and development of digital products. Simply put, UX refers to the overall experience that a user has when using a product or service. This experience encompasses all aspects of the user's interaction with the product, including its usability, functionality, design, and emotional impact. UX design is an approach to designing products that prioritizes the needs and experiences of the user. A UX designer's goal is to create products that are intuitive, user-friendly, and enjoyable to use. This involves understanding the needs, motivations, and behaviors of the user and designing products that meet those needs. Here are several key principles that underpin the UX design process. User-centered design is a design philosophy that puts the needs of the user at the center of the design process. This involves conducting user research to understand the user's needs and preferences and using the information to inform the design of the product. Design thinking is a problem-solving approach that involves understanding the user's needs, generating ideas, prototyping and testing, and iterating based on user feedback. This approach encourages designers to think creatively and iteratively to solve complex problems. Usability refers to how easy and intuitive it is for users to use a product. A product with good usability is one that is easy to learn, efficient to use, and error-free. Usability is critical to creating a positive user experience. Visual design refers to the aesthetic and visual elements of a product, including color, typography, and layout. Visual design can impact the emotional and psychological experience of the user and is a critical aspect of UX design.
I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in accelerating modern education.